welcome. I am your boy, the real King of Spades Vlogs. Alright, so today I'm gonna be pranking my wife with the fart prank. Now, if you've seen Sam and Jess, when Jess pranked her husband Sam with the farting prank, well, today I'm gonna be pranking my wife with the fart prank. Prank on wife. Now, like it up, subscribe. It's your boy, the real King of Spades Vlogs. Now, subscribe to our lovely Kitty Mom Cat Raiders Vlogs. She has her own YouTube channel. Alright, so like it up, subscribe, and we're gonna get this started. Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
That's good.
They're having tacos and rice for dinner.
Alright.
We still have.
Oh man, my stomach hurts.
What's wrong with you?
Oh no.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Why do you do that with your eyes? Like,
Oh my god.
that's so cringy.
Oh man.
Why do you do that with your eyes? That's so cringy.
That feels good.
Stop doing that.
Oh my god. Oh, that feels good. Maybe
Look, it's still blown up.
if I sleep it off, it will go away.
Sleep it off.
Yeah.
It's too early to go to sleep. It's too early to go to sleep.
Yeah, but my stomach hurts, so.
Well, then go to sleep. Go in the room and go to sleep then. Dude,
Oh my
the neighbor's
god.
gonna hear you.
Oh my god.
The neighbor's gonna hear
Whew.
you. Stop that.
Can't help it.
Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Dude, that is totally gross.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That feels good.
That is totally gross.
I told you there's something wrong with my stomach.
Well, go use the restroom. Go use the restroom then. There's something wrong with your dad. He got gas. Or something. Dude! Fuck, is there a frog in here?
Yeah.
I didn't know we owned a frog.
Yeah.
I didn't know we owned a frog. Dude!
Oh my god, this one is stinky. Oh.
Dude, go
Oh,
use the restroom. Go use the restroom.
Oh my god.
Go use the restroom. Go use the restroom. That's disgusting. I can smell it.
Huh?
Got a spray in here. Put some Lysol up in here. Dude, that's disgusting.
Oh my god. Oh, that was good.
That's disgusting. Stop that. Stop that. That's disgusting.
Oh man.
Go use the restroom. Go use the restroom. Go use the restroom. Aren't you so bad? Go use the restroom. But you need to, you know what? Take a. You need to, you know what? In the bath. Go use the restroom.
Huh?
Go use the restroom if it hurts you. Dude.
Oh man.
Stop doing that.
I can't.
Stop it right now. That's disgusting. Dude. Knock that off.
Oh man. That was a good one.
Knock that off. Ew. You're disgusting.
Oh man, that's good.
No, it's not good. That's totally disgusting. That's totally disgusting.
I just ripped one.
Oh my god, that's disgusting. Dude! Really?
I have gas.
Good.
I have 3
I
times
do
the
not want to be smelling that, okay?
I have 3 times the gas.
I don't want to be smelling that. I don't want to be smelling that. I don't want to be smelling that.
Oh
Ew.
God, that was good.
Would you just knock that off? I don't want to be smelling that. I really don't want to be smelling that, okay? Dude! Dude!
What?
Stop doing that.
I got acid inside my stomach.
Stop doing that.
Can't help it.
Go use the restroom. Oh, God, it stinks. Stop stinking up the house. Oh, my God, you're so gross.
Huh?
You're so gross.
Oh my God! Think I just tore my pants
Oh,
off.
my God.
Oh my
Stop
God.
stinking up the house.
Oh my God. It's a prank.
I think you're funny.
We got her good, everyone. We got her good. So what do you think of that prank?
No.
No?
I don't like that. It's disgusting.
Well, we got her good, everyone. Let me tell you, if you've seen Sam and Jess, when Jess pranked her husband Sam with the farting prank, well, I just did that too. My wife right here.
Yeah.
So, you know,
I did not like that.
like it up, subscribe. It's your boy, The Real King of Spades Vlogs. Subscribe to my beautiful wife, Queen of Spades Vlogs. Subscribe to our other channel, the RNH Challenges. Subscribe to a lovely kitty, Mama Cat Reyes Vlogs. She's right here by the TV. And we post Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. But until then, peace out.
Peace.
And see you on Friday. Peace.